The allure of motorcycling beckons to riders from all walks of life, offering freedom, adventure, and a unique connection to the open road. For beginners stepping into the thrilling world of two-wheelers, finding the right motorcycle is a crucial step. The Kawasaki Ninja 300, known for its affordability, balanced performance, and beginner-friendly attributes, emerges as an excellent choice for novice riders on a budget. With its accessible power, sporty aesthetics, and rider-centric features, the Ninja 300 provides a compelling platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration without breaking the bank. Affordable performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 300 lies a refined 296cc parallel twin engine that offers a perfect balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of riding without stretching their budget. Sporty design and aggressive aesthetics. The Ninja 300 boasts a sporty design that captures the essence of Kawasaki's sport bike heritage. Its aggressive lines, sleek fairings, and dynamic styling elements embody a blend of sportiness and style that appeals to riders seeking an adrenaline rush. Novice riders not only embrace the thrill of riding but also connect with the Ninja 300's sporty spirit. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. Despite its sporty persona, the Ninja 300 is thoughtfully designed for comfort. It offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures rider comfort during both short rides and extended journeys. The well-positioned handlebars, comfortable seat, and reasonable footpeg height contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, twisty roads, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a priority for beginner riders, and the Ninja 300 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices as they learn to master the motorcycle's performance. Urban commutes and weekend escapes. The Ninja 300's versatility extends beyond city commutes. Novice riders can effortlessly transition between urban rides and weekend getaways, all while enjoying the motorcycle's sporty and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand create a welcoming community that embraces beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the road and the Ninja 300 sport bike attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Budget-friendly long-term riding. The Ninja 300 isn't just an affordable entry-level choice, it's a reliable companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its budget-friendly price, manageable maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can enjoy the Ninja 300 for years to come. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to providing an affordable and thrilling introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its accessible performance, sporty design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Ninja 300 offers an immersive gateway to the joy of riding without breaking the bank. By choosing a Kawasaki Ninja 300 as their first motorcycle, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sportiness, affordability, and the exhilaration of conquering the open road on two wheels.